To connect your XM wire to a baby toilet, start by opening your diagram and then access your XM pad set. From there, click the Start button to open the Xempire dashboard. Next, click the three-dot menu icon and then select the AirDrop button, which will take you to a page where you can connect your wallet. To do this, click the Connect Wallet button, and you will be shown a list of available wallets to connect to your Xempire. If your preferred wallet, such as ByBit Torction, is not immediately visible, click the View All Wallets option to find it. Once you've selected your wallet, in this case, the ByBit wallet, you will be redirected to the ByBit Toilet app. Note that this process requires a verified account on ByBit, so ensure you have completed the verification process before attempting to connect your wallet. After verifying your account, you should be able to successfully connect your Xempire to the ByBit toilet.